Hey folks, after a busy day weather-wise across the valley, we see a quiet radar tonight. This is the First One 5 Doppler network, and there's nothing out there. It's gone very, very quiet. It's probably going to stay that way most of the night, with the exception of maybe right along the coast where there could be a shower or two. If you look at how much rain fell today, it just gives you an idea. The heaviest rain today was primarily along right on Highway 83 in Starr County. 2 to 2.5 inches of rain there, and that's much spottier as you move across the rest of the valley. Now, this is what Future Track suggests for tonight. Just cloudy skies all night long. There's 11 o'clock. You get into the morning hours, still overcast, but as the day goes on, showers and maybe even a thunderstorm pops up. Maybe not as active as today, but there'll still be some stuff around tomorrow like we saw today. Notice it kind of fired up on the I-69C corridor again. Then you get into Thursday, we do it again, and probably a more active day on Thursday. So a lot more colors show up on Thursday. So our rain chance not quite as big tomorrow, but then it goes back up again on Thursday. There's projected rainfall tomorrow through midnight tomorrow night, suggesting anywhere from 1/100 of an inch to maybe a couple of inches in spots. And then you go into the daytime Thursday into Thursday night, and look how the numbers go up a little bit more. And then Friday, the numbers go up a little bit more. So each day we just add a little bit more to the mix, and I think that's what we're likely to see, just scattered showers and thunderstorms each afternoon, with tomorrow being at a 40% probability and then 60% on Thursday and again on Friday. As far as the weekend goes, right now we're holding at about a 40% chance both Saturday and Sunday during the daytime. With that, temperature's a little cooler than normal, about 86 for the high both days of the weekend. So we're watching this system down to the south. It's been just east of us, now south of us, pretty much all week long, and there's a lot of possibilities for this as we go through the next week or so. Most of them take it back to the west or the northwest or the due north, but there are a lot of options for this. But it could continue to keep rain in our forecast, likely will, all the way through the rest of the weekend, and beyond. And some of the models say that it tries to ramp up a little bit, so we're going to watch that into next week. In the meantime, here's a system that's ramped up and getting a little bit organized again tonight. Look how the eye becomes more well-defined tonight, and it's not moving very fast at all. Look at the winds. You see gust over 60 miles an hour in Mobile. The sensor in Pensacola disappeared at some point this afternoon, likely damage to that. And notice it's not moving much, and the issue with that is rain. Here's how much rain has already fallen, up to 20 inches right on the coast of Florida there, Florida Panhandle to the west of Panama City. Look out in the middle of the storm, 20 to 30 inches, and I think a lot of places in the path of this storm could see 20 to 30 inches of rain as it moves off in that northeasterly direction eventually, and then kind of washes itself out once it gets over the east coast of the U.S. Rest of the tropics very busy as well. We're watching everything. We're already up to Vicky. Next is Wilfred, and then we go to the Greek alphabet after that. Tonight, 73, stray shower. Tomorrow, back to 90. Mostly cloudy with scattered storms around. Your chance of rain tomorrow stands at about 40%. We're back up to 60% for Thursday and Friday, and then we go back to 30 to 40% over the weekend. I think every day, though, there's a chance for a shower, thunderstorm, and the end of the forecast period is really going to depend on what that remnant blob does. It's down in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, but it looks like it could continue to be a rainmaker for us for the next several days. That's your updated First One 5 AccuWeather forecast.